Okay, question number 15. T is equal to 2b minus 7. This is a formula given. Work out the value of t when b is equal to 5. This question is about substituting the values into a formula. Formula is t is equal to 2b minus 7. First thing you must always remember that when there is no sign between a number and a letter, or whenever you can't see any sign between two things, that is always multiplication. Now I'm going to substitute values. So I know there is multiplication over here. 2, what is b? B is 5. So I'm going to replace b by 5, multiply it, and minus 7. Then you need to just apply bit mass. 2 times 5 is 10, minus 7. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So your final answer is 3. Part B, another formula, P is equal to A, B, C. Again, you cannot see any sign between A, B, and C. Quite a lot of you have just added them together. There is no sign, there is always multiplication. So it can be written as P is equal to A times B times C. Now substituting values, A is 3 times by B, which is 5, times by C, which is negative 4. Another thing to be very careful about. This is 3. So 3 times 5 is 15, times it by minus 4. 15 times 4, if you don't know, you can do this. It will give you 60. Because you are multiplying by a negative number, your answer is going to be negative. So it is going to be negative 60. Again, substitution, work out the value of R when A is equal to 3. So I'm just going to replace A by 3. So everything else is going to stay the same. 5 plus A. Instead of A, I'm going to use 3 divided by 4. Now I can just solve the bracket first, which is inside. 3 plus 5 is 8. So 3 bracket 8 over 4. I've left it as a bracket to explain again. Again, nothing in between 3 and bracket. That means it is multiplication. 24 divided by 4, which is equal to 4 times 6 is 24. So your final answer is 6. The ratio of men to women working for a company is 2:3. There are 30 women. How many men are there? Ratio, always, first of all, always write it in the same order as it is in the question. So ratio of men to women. So we have to write men, ratio women. Men are 2, women are 3. How many women are there? 30. So what do you have to do to go from 3 to 30? It is always multiplication or division. Never think that we can add this or subtract this. Always multiplication and division. 3 to 30 is times it by 10. So you will do exact same thing to this side. 2 times 10, it will give you answer which is 20. So your answer is equal to 20